Did you know that the London Underground, affectionately known as the Tube, is the oldest underground railway network in the world? This iconic transportation system, a symbol of London's hustle and bustle, has been ferrying passengers beneath the city's streets for over a century and a half. It first opened its doors in 1863, a time when horse-drawn carriages were still a common sight on London's streets. Today, it boasts a staggering 270 stations, each with its own unique character and history. From the labyrinthine King's Cross to the futuristic Canary Wharf, the Tube connects every corner of the sprawling metropolis. It's not just a means of getting from A to B, but a testament to the city's resilience and ingenuity. So the next time you hop on a tube train, remember you're not just taking a ride, you're stepping into a rich and storied history. Now that we've piqued your interest, buckle up as we delve into the fascinating process of constructing a tube train. Every great creation starts with a plan. The same goes for the tube train. The conception stage is an intricate process of planning and designing where every detail matters. It's not just about creating a mode of transport, it's about creating a lifeline for the City of London. The design is conceptualized keeping in mind a host of factors. The aesthetic appeal is important, yes, but the functionality and safety factors are paramount. Designers and engineers collaborate, drafting blueprints that balance the train's speed, capacity, and energy efficiency. They consider the train's maneuverability through the labyrinthine network of the London Underground and the comfort of the millions who would travel in it daily. Safety is always at the forefront of these designs. Every possible scenario is considered, from sudden stops to emergency evacuations, ensuring that each journey on the tube is not just swift, but also safe. Once the plan is in place, it's time to turn these blueprints into a reality. Imagine a giant jigsaw puzzle where every piece has to fit just right. That's what the manufacturing process is like. Let's start with the train's body. It's the outer shell that we see, and it's fabricated from aluminium. These aluminium sheets are carefully shaped and then welded together to create the sleek, streamlined form we're familiar with. This process involves a lot of precision, ensuring that the body is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also robust and safe. Next, we have the bogies, the wheels and axles of the train. Made from high-strength steel, they're designed to withstand the immense weight of the train and the constant friction from the tracks. These aren't your average wheels. They're precision-engineered for durability and smoothness, ensuring a comfortable ride for passengers. Now let's talk about the interior fittings. These include everything from the seats and handrails to the lighting and signage. Each element is carefully designed for comfort, durability, and ease of use. The seats, for instance, are crafted with ergonomic design in mind, while the handrails are positioned for optimum accessibility. The lighting and signage, on the other hand, are designed to be clear and easy to read, making the journey as straightforward as possible for passengers. The assembly process is where all these components come together. It's a delicate dance of precision and coordination. The body is mounted onto the bogies, and the interior fittings are installed. It's a meticulous process, with every detail checked and double-checked to ensure that everything is just right. But it's not just about assembling the pieces, there's also a lot of testing involved. Each component, from the body to the bogies to the interior fittings, is put through rigorous testing to ensure it meets the high standards of safety and quality that the London Underground demands. And there you have it. From a collection of individual components, we now have a fully assembled tube train, ready for the next stages of its journey to the tracks. With all the pieces in place, it's starting to look like a real train, isn't it? What's a train without its heartbeat? The electrical systems give life to the tube train. Now, let's delve into the intricacies of the electrical systems. They are the lifeblood of any modern train, and the London Tube train is no exception. These systems are a complex network of circuits, components, and software that govern everything from the train's movement to the information displayed for passengers. First up is the Train Control Management System, or TCMS for short. Think of it as the train's central nervous system. It monitors and controls all the train's functions, from the lighting to the brakes. It's a smart, responsive system that enables the train to operate efficiently and safely. Next, we have the propulsion system. This is the heart of the train that keeps it moving. It's responsible for converting electrical energy into mechanical energy, which drives the train's wheels. The London Underground uses an advanced energy-efficient propulsion system that not only propels the train forward, but also recovers energy during braking. This energy is then fed back into the power supply system, reducing overall energy consumption. And then there's the passenger information system. This is the voice and face of the train, providing passengers with real-time travel information. It displays route maps, station names, and service updates on screens throughout the train. It also announces stops and any important updates through an automated voice system. This system is crucial in keeping passengers informed and making their journey as smooth as possible. Installing these systems is a meticulous process. It involves laying miles of wiring, programming software, and integrating all the systems so they work seamlessly together. It's a task that requires precision, expertise, and a deep understanding of electrical and computer engineering. And there you have it. The electrical systems are the pulse and rhythm of the London Tube train. They control its every move, keep passengers informed, and ensure the train operates efficiently. With the electrical systems installed, our train is almost ready to hit the tracks. Now comes the moment of truth. It's time to test our creation. When we talk about the London Underground, safety and reliability are two pillars that cannot be compromised. And to ensure these, the tube train undergoes a series of rigorous tests before it ever sees the light of the day. The process begins with static tests. Here the train is put through extensive examinations while stationary. Engineers scrutinize every nut, bolt, wire, and circuit. They test the brakes, inspect the wheels, and examine the lighting system. Every detail, no matter how small, is meticulously checked. Next comes the dynamic testing phase. The train is moved to a closed track for a series of trials. It's like a rehearsal for the big show. The tube train is pushed to its limits to see how it performs under different conditions. From maximum speed tests to emergency brake tests, the train's performance is scrutinized under every possible circumstance. But the testing doesn't end there. The train is also exposed to environmental tests. This is to ensure that it can withstand the harsh realities of London's weather, from the coldest winters to the hottest summers. Once the train has passed all these tests with flying colors, it moves to the commissioning phase. This is where the train is prepared to enter service. During commissioning, final safety inspections are carried out. The train is cleaned and all its systems are checked one last time. Then comes the moment we've been waiting for. The train is taken on trial runs through the actual London Underground network. This is its final test. If all goes well, the train is signed off and officially enters service. It's a long and comprehensive process, but every step of the way is essential to ensure that the tube train is not just ready, but also safe and reliable for the millions of Londoners who depend on it daily. Once it passes all the tests, the tube train is ready to serve the people of London. So, there you have it. The journey of a tube train from conception to commissioning. Our exploration began with the conception stage, where we saw how meticulous planning and intricate design forms the foundation of the London Underground tube train. The process is not as simple as drafting a blueprint. It involves a series of complex steps, including site surveys, feasibility studies, and careful consideration of various factors like passenger traffic, safety standards, and environmental impact. We then moved on to the manufacturing process, a marvel of modern engineering. Here, raw materials are transformed into the components that make up the tube train. The body is crafted from lightweight yet sturdy materials, and the interiors are designed to maximize passenger comfort and safety. Each piece is meticulously assembled, reflecting the high standards of precision and quality that are the hallmark of the London Underground. Next, we delved into the electrical systems that power these trains. These systems are not just about propelling the train forward. They also control the lighting, air conditioning, and other onboard amenities that make our journeys comfortable. The installation of these systems is a delicate task that requires a high degree of expertise and precision. Finally, we looked at the testing and commissioning stage. This is where the train is put through a series of rigorous tests to ensure it meets all safety and performance standards. It's also where any necessary adjustments are made before the train is deemed ready for service. From conception to commissioning, the creation of a tube train is a process that combines cutting-edge technology, expert engineering, and meticulous attention to detail. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. Next time you ride the tube, remember the intricate process that went into constructing the train that gets you from point A to point B.